Alright, I'm ready when you are.
This is catfishing here with Where Are They Biting? We are going to do some creek fishing today here on Silver Creek. Going to just walk the banks and see what we can catch. So let's get at it.
Let's do it. Basically, I mean, you can run it as close to the top as, I mean, this water, even a deep pocket's probably 2 or 3 foot deep, you know. If you're running this 6 inches under the surface, they're still going to see it. But, you know, yeah, you can drop your rod tip, but once you start bumping the bottom and stuff like that, you probably want to bring it up. But, I mean, with us walking the creek, see, this stuff here could be 4 foot deep. I wouldn't want to walk out there, you know. It's a nice little rock bat, or no, it's a largemouth. Could be spotted. Nice. Let's check him out here. Supposedly you can tell by rubbing their tongue. If it's smooth, it's a largemouth, which it's smooth. It's got a little rough texture to it. It's a spotted bass, so he's a nice little chunky largemouth. Babe, we can keep on walking. I just wanted to, I thought that might be a little bit deeper, so it would be worth hitting a little bit. Nice little fire belly here, long ear. Might be worth just going ahead and wading on in, babe. Fish on. Look, he hit that as soon as it hit the water. I said he hit it as soon as it hit the water. I thought I was snagged up at first, which now I am. He's still on. Look at that little dude. How the hell did he pull me over there into that? Fish on. Another little dinker. I'll start calling these ones that are even less than dinks, call them rinky dinks. So, smooth tongue, another little largemouth. rinky dink. Nice little sunfish. Look at this tank, babe. Oh my goodness, babe, look at this. This is the smallest bass I've ever caught. Well, damn it, didn't even get a picture of him. Fish on. Oh, it's a nice one. Look, babe. See him? He was right there in front of you. Nice.
I think we need to change mine.
Is that right? Here, we'll trade.
I ain't getting nothing.
Look at the belly on him, babe. Super thick belly on this guy. He's probably the creek boss, eating everything in here. Come here, babe. We'll get you another lure on there. You're welcome. Hang on, let me see what you got. Tiny. Hey. Maybe changing lures helped, huh?
Sure did.
What'd you get? I can't see it. Clamshell? Yeah. Huh. Katie caught her a clam here, and while she was trying to get the hook out, he just went ahead and clamped down on it.
How'd you get it out?
Just pulled it out.
I have been just sitting there just blowing and blowing. Funny.
First time, first clam ever caught. On camera, even at that. Here. Let me get a release on this. Hey, look at you over here. Got your little fire belly, huh?
Look at me. Like, I'm like catching them like crazy since we switched up the
I know.
lure.
I probably won't catch another one now since I give away my lure. See what you got. Oh, she doesn't even let us get over here for a close-up. I walk all that way. A little more drag here than that. I don't think that fish is that big. He's pulling pretty good though. Nice. It's a nice fire belly. Now that's what I'm used to catching in this creek. First time I fished this location, we just fished underneath the bridge to my left, and the one little spot there was loaded with them. Fish on. Oh, he came off. Damn it. No, he's still on. It's a nice little bass, a rock bass. Rock bass. I'll tell you what, this is where a guy could stand to be a few inches taller. I've about got the old vittles dipped in the water.